Previously on the Vampire Diaries.
I want you to compel me to forget that I ever loved him.
Who is Damon Salvatore?
He's a monster.
Where the hell are we?
1994.
We're never getting out.
There's someone else here.
To get home, we'll harness the power of the eclipse using a mystical relic. It's called an Ascendant.
Forgetting someone? I'm back.
I know what Alaric is. I know what you are. You're a witch.
Wait, you're from Mystic Falls?
Born and raised. One of the founding families, actually.
Stefan could have told me there was a hunter in town.
I want my memories back. Wait, what? I want Alaric to uncompel me.
I'm not supposed to be alive.
Alaric's not a vampire anymore, Elena. He's human.
It's a girl you need to go see.